Ladies and gentlemen, as someone dealing with numerical data, you may need to make some calculations like sum, average and others. So that's why in this video I'm going to show you how you can make summation of numerical data in just a few seconds using predefined formula here in Excel. So without spending more time, let us start. Yes, we may be interested to calculate sum of these marks. Here you need to create or just type total here so that to highlight that this is total marks for all students, right? So you need to come here, right? You just click equal sign, you write sum, uppercase sum, then with braces as a function. Then here we need now to come and select our cells from cell number 2C. Do you see? As you see, should highlighted here also. Do you see? C2. Now, after selecting it, you just need to also to scroll using this sign here. Do you see? Then up to our latest location. Do you see? Then to me that is just from C2 to C8, right? Up to here, because we need to make summation of marks from 18%, 90, 85, 98, 95, 88, 77 up to here, right? That's why it's selected from C2 because we are in column number C up to here number 8, C8, right? So what you should do now, just click enter. After selecting that, you click enter. Now as you see is just 613%. Do you see? So you can just do it manually so that you can verify that this function is working but correctly is working. So thank you. See you in the next lesson.